Welcome back to the Productivity Podcast, where I give you a daily productivity tip so you can get the most out of your time, your talent, and your ideas. I'm your host, Brandon White. Here we go. We've all faced problems that seem to reappear, no matter how many times we try to fix them. Often, we're addressing the symptoms rather than the root cause. That's where the 5 Whys tool comes in, a simple yet powerful technique for getting to the heart of any issue. Today, we'll explain what the 5 Whys tool is, why it works, and then teach you how to use it. Imagine peeling back layers of an onion. The 5 Whys method does something similar, but for problems. It's a problem-solving technique that involves repeatedly asking why, to drill down through surface-level explanations and uncover the fundamental reason behind an issue. The idea is that by asking why 5 times, you can reach the core of any problem. Here's 5 reasons why the 5 Why tool works. Number 1, it identifies the root cause by going beyond superficial explanations and finds the fundamental reason behind a defect or problem. Number 2, it's simple, straightforward, and an easy-to-use technique requiring no complex calculations or specialized training. Number 3, it focuses on the process by helping identify cause and effect relationships within a process, leading to more effective solutions. Number 4, it takes the human factor into consideration and is particularly effective for problems involving human factors, helping you to understand the underlying reasons for a problem. And number 5, it provides quality improvement because it's a core tool in lean manufacturing and other quality control methodologies driving continuous improvement. Here's how to put it to work. Let's illustrate it in practice with a simple example. The problem. The office printer keeps jamming. Number 1, why did the printer jam? Because there was crumpled paper inside. Number 2, why was there crumpled paper inside? Because the paper tray was overloaded. Number 3, why was the paper tray overloaded? Because it wasn't refilled regularly. Number 4, why wasn't it refilled regularly? Because there's no such schedule for refilling the paper tray. Number 5, why isn't there a set schedule? Because no one was assigned to the responsibility. The root cause? The absence of a designated person responsible for refilling the paper tray. You can apply this method to any problem you're having. Here's some key considerations to effectively use the tool. Focus on the process, not the person. The goal is to improve the system, not blame individuals. Base answers on facts. Avoid assumptions and rely on data and evidence to support your answers. Be aware that some problems have multiple causes requiring multiple 5 Whys analysis. Be sure to iterate and verify. Don't be afraid to adjust your answers as you gather more information every time you ask why. And clearly define the problem. A well-defined problem is the foundation of a good 5 Whys analysis. And if you aren't convinced yet, here are 4 benefits of using the 5 Whys. Number 1, it promotes a culture of problem solving. Number 2, it encourages deeper thinking and analysis. Number 3, it leads to more effective and sustainable solutions. And number 4, it reduces the likelihood of recurring problems. By consistently asking why, you uncover the true source of your challenges and implement solutions that make a real difference. So the next time you encounter a problem, don't just fix the problem. Dig deeper with the 5 Whys and find the root cause. Your move. Hey, real quick before you go, please remember to hit follow on your podcast player. You won't miss any episodes, and it helps support us bring you the show daily. Thanks for listening. We'll talk tomorrow.